Monday morning, 8:57 a.m. Two employees walk into the same office. They have the same job, the same experience, the same education, the same manager. If you looked at them today, you wouldn't notice any difference. But 1 year from now, one of them will have been promoted. The other will be struggling to keep up. And the reason won't be intelligence. It won't be talent. It won't even be experience. It will be something far more subtle. One of them learned how to work with artificial intelligence. The other didn't. For the past 2 years, we've been asking the same question. Will AI take our jobs? It's a question that dominates headlines, conference stages, boardroom meetings, and social media. Some people believe artificial intelligence will replace millions of workers. Others believe it's all exaggerated. But almost everyone is asking the wrong question. Because history shows us that technology rarely replaces entire professions overnight. Instead, it quietly changes how those professions work. Electricity didn't eliminate factories. The internet didn't eliminate businesses. Computers didn't eliminate accountants. They transformed the way people worked. Artificial intelligence is following the same pattern. The biggest risk isn't waking up tomorrow and discovering a robot has replaced you. The biggest risk is something much less dramatic. You keep working exactly the same way, while everyone around you quietly becomes faster, smarter, more productive. Imagine two architects. One spends 6 hours creating the first draft of a proposal. The other uses AI to generate multiple concepts in 20 minutes. Then spends the rest of the day improving the best one. Imagine two lawyers. One reads hundreds of pages manually. The other uses AI to organize the documents, identify patterns, and highlight the most relevant sections before reading them. Or imagine two project managers. One spends the morning writing reports. The other asks AI to prepare the first draft, checks every detail, and uses the extra time to solve problems that actually require human judgment. None of these people have been replaced. They're still doing their jobs, but they're no longer working at the same speed. And over time, small differences become enormous advantages. 5 minutes saved every hour, one extra project every week, better presentations, faster research, more time to think instead of formatting documents. Those advantages compound, week after week, month after month, year after year. That's how careers begin to separate, not because one person suddenly became more intelligent, but because one person redesigned the way they work. This is why the real competition isn't artificial intelligence. It's the person sitting next to you, using exactly the same tools, more effectively than you are. And to understand why that's happening, we first need to challenge one of the biggest misconceptions about work itself. Because a job isn't actually one job. It's something much more interesting.